Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something very important. Never stop learning. Learning is good for everyone. We learn at school, we learn at work, we also learn at home. Learning helps us grow. It helps us understand the world. It helps us become better people. We can learn many things. We can learn a new language, we can learn to cook, we can learn to use computer. We can learn how to talk to people. Every day there is something new to learn. Some people think learning is only for children, but that is not true. Adults can learn too. We can learn at any age, 20, 40s or even 80 years old. It is never too late to learn something new. Learning helps our brain stay strong. It helps us find better job. It helps us feel happy and proud. When we learn, we grow. We become a smarter and more confident. Today we can learn in many ways. We can read books, we can watch videos, we can take online classes, we can learn from mistakes, we can learn from life. So remember this, never stop learning. Always be curious, always ask questions, always try something new. Learning is the key to a better life. Thank you. See you in the next video.